So this is home for a week. This is a closet. Here's a shower. This is pretty cool. This is pretty. So nice. The tile is made local. There's a jacuzzi bathtub in every room. My room is the standard room or standard suite. Every room is a suite. And there I am with this big ass hair, which I'm probably gonna take out. And even though this is a standard room, they hooked your girl up with a pool and an ocean view. Oh my goodness, I don't know what to do with myself right now. This place is beautiful. Let's go outside. Oi. This is the balcony. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it is not raining today. I am so happy right now.